Imagine biting into perfectly crispy chicken wings or golden fries without the guilt of deep frying. Sounds like a dream, right? This Nutrichef 5.8 Quart Air Fryer turns that dream into reality, delivering restaurant-quality meals with less oil and zero stress. Whether you're a busy parent, a health-conscious foodie, or someone craving convenience without sacrificing flavor, this air fryer is about to become your kitchen MVP. Let's dive into why this sleek, powerful appliance is stealing hearts and appetites everywhere. Why choose the Nutrichef 5.8 Quart Air Fryer? Air fryers aren't just a trend, they're a revolution in home cooking. The Nutrichef 5.8 Quart Air Fryer stands out in a crowded market with its blend of smart design, user-friendly features, and mouth-watering results. It's not just about frying, it's about reimagining how you cook everything from shrimp to steak. Here's why it's worth the hype. Versatile cooking power. With 8 preset modes, you can air fry, roast, bake, or defrost with a single touch. From juicy chicken to crispy fries, it handles it all. Healthier meals, same great taste. Using 360-degree hot air circulation, it cooks with up to 95% less oil, so you can indulge without the calorie overload. Time-saving magic. The 1200-watt heating element heats up fast, and the 60-minute timer lets you multitask while dinner practically cooks itself. Space-saving design. Its compact stainless steel build fits snugly on any countertop, perfect for small kitchens or apartments. Hassle-free cleanup. The non-stick, dishwasher-safe tray makes post-cooking cleanup a breeze, no scrubbing required. Safety. First, automatic shutoff and overheat protection. Keep your kitchen worry-free, even during busy meal preps. Solving your cooking struggles. Let's face it, cooking can be a chore. Maybe you're tired of soggy oven-baked fries or the mess of deep frying. Perhaps you're juggling a hectic schedule and need meals fast. The Nutrichef 5.8 Quart Air Fryer tackles these pain points head-on. Its transparent fry bowl lets you monitor your food so you never overcook or undercook again. The 5.8 quart capacity is ideal for family-sized portions, meaning fewer batches and more time to relax. Plus, the precise temperature control, up to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, ensures every dish comes out just right, whether it's tender shrimp or a perfectly seared steak. Who's this air fryer for? This air fryer is a match made in heaven for anyone who loves good food but hates the hassle. It's perfect for busy families. Whip up quick, healthy dinners for the whole crew without spending hours in the kitchen. Health enthusiasts. Enjoy fried favorites with less guilt thanks to oil-free cooking technology. Small space dwellers. Its compact design maximizes function without cluttering your countertop. Cooking novices. The LED touchscreen and preset modes make it foolproof, even if you're not a pro chef. Real results, real flavor. What sets the Nutrichef apart is its ability to deliver consistent, crave-worthy results. Picture this: golden, crispy wings that crunch with every bite, or steak that's seared outside and juicy inside, all without a drop of extra oil. The 360-degree hot air circulation ensures even cooking, so every piece is perfection. And with a large 5.8 quart capacity, you can feed a crowd or meal prep for the week in one go. It's not just an appliance, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Pros, and cons of Nutrichef 5.8 Quart Air Fryer. Pros: 8 preset modes for versatile cooking. Uses 95% less oil for healthier meals. 5.8 quart capacity for family portions. Precise temp, up to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, and 60-minute timer. Non-stick, dishwasher-safe tray. Auto shutoff and overheat protection. Compact stainless steel design. Easy LED touchscreen and transparent bowl. Fast 1200-watt heating. Durable build. Cons: only available in black. Presets may need practice. Slightly bulky for tiny storage. Fan can be noisy. Basket feels delicate if mishandled. Why it's a smart investment. At first glance, you might wonder if an air fryer is worth the counter space. But the Nutrichef 5.8 Quart Air Fryer isn't just another gadget. It's a tool that saves time, cuts calories, and sparks creativity in the kitchen. Its durable stainless steel construction promises years of use, while the easy-to-use LED touchscreen makes cooking feel effortless. Whether you're air frying fish for a light lunch or baking a dessert for guests, this air fryer adapts to your needs with precision and flair. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.